What if you could build a beautiful portfolio website without spending hours writing code? Today I'll show you how to use Claude AI together with VS Code to create a modern, responsive portfolio website from scratch. By the end of this video, you'll have a website you can customize and publish online. Before we start, make sure you've already connected Claude AI to Visual Studio Code. If you haven't done that yet, I've already created a complete step-by-step guide. You can watch that video first and then come back to this tutorial. Everything starts with a good prompt. Instead of asking Claude AI to build a simple website, we'll provide detailed instructions so it understands exactly what kind of portfolio we want. For this demonstration, I'm using a simple one-line prompt. I want to show you what Claude AI can generate with only a basic instruction. As you can see, the result is good, but it's not perfect. That's completely normal. The quality of the website depends heavily on the quality of your prompt. If you want a more premium design, smoother animations, better layouts, or additional features, you need to describe your requirements in much more detail. Think of Claude AI as a professional web developer. If you give it vague instructions, you'll get a basic result. But if you clearly explain every detail of your project, Claude can produce something much more impressive. I'm intentionally keeping this prompt short because this video is focused on demonstrating the workflow, not advanced prompt engineering. In upcoming videos, I'll show you how to write professional prompts that generate premium quality websites, improve existing designs, and even create award-winning user interfaces using Claude AI. For now, let's continue with this simple example and see what Claude generates. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is using short, vague prompts. The more specific your prompt is, the better the final result will be. Notice how Claude doesn't just generate random code. It organizes the project into HTML, CSS, and JavaScript files while keeping the structure clean and easy to maintain. Even if the first version looks good, don't stop there. AI becomes much more powerful when you continue refining the design through additional prompts. Professional developers rarely accept the first result. Instead, they keep improving layouts, animations, typography, and responsiveness until everything feels polished. If you have coding knowledge, you can edit the code manually and customize it however you like. If not, don't worry. In future videos, I'll show you how to modify and improve your website simply by using better prompts with Claude AI. And that's it. In just a short amount of time, Claude AI helped us build a modern, responsive portfolio website that would normally take much longer to create manually. If you enjoyed this tutorial, don't forget to subscribe to Code with Tharuka for more AI-powered web development content.